Hey, thanks for watching another one of our episodes. Today we're going to inject the chicken and then smoke it over pecan wood in the pit barrel cooker. We'll finish this chicken with a Blackberry-Jalapeno Glaze. Make sure you watch this whole video because I'm going to do a giveaway today. I'm going to give you your choice of this Meat Church chicken injection or the Meat Church Holy Gospel rub. I've got this Meat Church chicken injection here, and the instructions recommend 3/4 of a cup of injection. Now I'll show you what it looks like. You can see there we got it, to 2 cups of liquid. And for my liquid, I have 1.5 cups of water, and I'm going to use a 1/2 cup of, I've got a 1/2 cup of apple cider in there. Okay? Now you just want to get this, obviously you want to get this all mixed up real well. And after I get it mixed up, we'll come back and get this chicken injected. I've got 3 chickens here I've cut in half. They came in packs of 2. The packs of 2 were just a little bit less than 10 pounds, so there's each chicken slightly under 5 pounds. Here's what that Meat Church looks like. It's got like a nice golden brown color. All right, you hear my puppy in the background. Now what I'm going to do is just inject all these chicken halves, okay? And I won't bore you with make you watch all the time it takes to inject this, but I'm just going to inject each half, and when I get them all injected, we'll be back and talk about seasoning these guys. Now, to season these chicken halves, going to use this Holy Gospel barbecue rub, and what I'll do is just a little oil here on each one. Let's get a couple over here. We're just going to use this oil as a binder, and so let me get these guys. I'll show you how we're going to do it. Okay, just want to, it doesn't take much. I'm not measuring, as you can see, just a little drizzle on each one. I'm sure it's not even a teaspoon on each one. Okay. All right, let me get my hands wiped off. So I got each of these guys oiled up. I'll just repeat this same exact process, of course, for the other 4 halves. But see, it's got a great color. It's got some small flakes in it, and it looks like it's got some larger chunks of seasoning as well. If you guys aren't familiar with Meat Church, this one has sugar, salt, spices, including paprika, dehydrated garlic, dextrose, celery, silicon dioxide, spikes, extractives, no MSG. Silicon dioxide prevents it from caking. Some of the manufacturers add the silicon dioxide, some don't. I can tell you this from experience. The ones that don't, particularly if you're in a humid environment like Florida, the seasoning will stick together. Now, you know, it doesn't make your seasoning bad. You just have to take a spoon or a fork or something to get it all uncaked. Anyway, in this case, they do have it in there, so you shouldn't see any caking over time with this seasoning. Okay. So I'm just going to finish seasoning all these up, and then we'll move over and get these guys on the smoker. We're all seasoned up here. We've got these hooks under the breastbone. Going to get 3 on each side. Then we're going to get the lid on this guy, and I'm going to let it go about an hour and 15 minutes, and we'll check the temp. I think the total cook time should be around 2 hours today. At an hour and 15 minutes, we were at 142 to 145. Now I've let it go another 30 minutes. So we're, let's see, that's an hour and 45 minutes. Can you see that one? 151. I hope you can see it. And then let me see if we can check this one out. Hopefully you'll be able to see the temp. I can see it as well. Okay, what's that say? 147. We'll try another piece. Test it here. 145, 148, probably 150 by the time we get done there. I'm going to go ahead and start the barbecue sauce. For those of you who want to make your own Blackberry Jalapeno barbecue sauce, I'm going to put 2 links in the description down below so you can see how to do that. Sorry, my dog just jumped on the table. But I'm going to tell you now, be prepared to spend a little money. This is just 12 ounces of blackberries, $5. What I'm going to do is use this Fat Bastard Bear Bite Blackberry Jalapeno barbecue sauce. That's right, I said Fat Bastard. Now, I'm just going to pour it in this little container to make it easier for getting out. Now, I don't know if you can see that in the video. I'll show you here in a second. Let me just get that. This has got chunks. Look at this. Those are blackberries. I hope you can see that. Just chunks of fruit. I love the Fat Bastard sauces. I've never had a bad one that those guys make. What I'm going to do is I'm going to glaze 3 of these. And the other ones I want to just try with just the Meat Church seasoning on them. So we'll glaze 3 of them up. I'll get the lid back on it. We'll keep cooking these guys till they're about 162. You know, they need to be at 165, but they'll come up a couple degrees after we take them off the smoker. So, again, just let me get these 3 on this side glazed up. I'll get the lid back on, and we'll continue with this cook. Now, if you want to win this rub or this chicken injection, all you got to do is be a subscriber to our channel and leave a comment below, and you'll be entered to win your choice of these guys. And hey, you want to be subscribed anyway, so you can learn how to do really easy barbecue recipes. It's been just a little bit over 3 hours. This cook took a little bit longer than the Peruvian chicken cook I did, but I closed the vents on this pit barrel cooker. In fact, I closed it all the way down. But just let me show you. Look at the color on that. All right. We're going to pull this chicken off. And of course, you know, we're going to have to give it a taste test, right? I'm going to get the blackberry off first. All right, we'll let this chicken rest about 10 minutes. Let's give it a try. We're going to try this blackberry first, right? The blackberry glazed. Going to cut into the breast. Oh yeah. Let me, there you go. All right. There's what she looks like. Hopefully you can see that okay. I should get a smaller piece, otherwise you're going to have to watch me chew all this up, and I'm sure that's not that exciting. All right. You know, the pit barrel does anything right, it does chicken. And I didn't mean that negative. I'm just saying it really knocks out chicken. It's got a very mild smoke flavor. Very mild. That's that pecan. It's tender. It's juicy. It's flavorful. And at the very, very end, it's not predominant. You get that blackberry, Fat Bastard, Blackberry Jalapeno barbecue sauce. And for those of you who don't like spicy, it is not spicy. Okay? Not spicy at all. Great. If you like blackberries and you want something subtle, you know, because, you know, you got it on this big piece of chicken, you know, you'd have a stronger blackberry flavor, you know, if you were doing it on wings or something. I'm telling you. Absolutely awesome. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is we're going to switch over and give the chicken a taste test where we didn't use any blackberry sauce. We just got the Meat Church injection and the Meat Church rub on it. That's it. All right, we've got a chicken here with no sauce, just the injection, just the rub. Look at the color. The color's beautiful. Just beautiful. My puppy wants some. And again, let me cut this in 2 so you don't have to watch me. Ooh, look at the juice come out of that. I don't know if you can see it, but that's from the injection, no doubt. Wow. Obviously it doesn't have the barbecue sauce, but it's just as awesome. The Meat Church, you know, this is new for us, the Meat Church. These guys are a competition barbecue team. I'm telling you, This injection just gives this chicken so much flavor. And I didn't brine this. You know, I always brine chicken, but I didn't brine this. Just, I hope you can see that. Just look at the color on the skin. Absolutely incredible. Hey, I hope you leave a comment below for a chance to win this Meat Church chicken injection or the Meat Church Holy Gospel rub. I'm going to give that away. I don't know if it'll be the next video or the video after. I'll decide when the time comes. Sadie and me, who gets into everything, appreciate you guys watching our videos. If you have any questions, comments, hey, if you want to see us cook something, just leave it down below in that comment section. Thanks so much for watching, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber.